Hey, what's up, champions? Gediminas here. Hope you guys are doing fantastically well. Welcome to Financial Freedom TV. And today I wanted to give you an incredible tip. How to get your team to do what you want. Ooh, this sounds dangerous. This sounds like mind control, right? But it's not that bad. Actually, it's a lot more simpler. So if you're watching a replay of this video, please do me a massive favor and stick hashtag replay into the comments. If you're brand new, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, please do say new. And of course, if you do get value from this video, feel free to share it. Maybe somebody else will get some value too. So how do you get your team to do what you want them to do? Very simple. People repeat the behavior for which they get rewarded. People will repeat the behavior for which they get rewarded. So it's very simple. Instead of telling your team members what to do, instead of asking them, please, with cherry on top, do what I ask you to do, which doesn't actually work, what you need to do is start rewarding the behavior you want to see in your business. So if you want your team members to sell more, what do? You encourage selling. So every time somebody sells, you recognize them, you reward them, you make a big deal about it, you promote them, you give them shout outs on your social media and so on. And guess what's going to happen? Obviously, one, it makes that person feel good when they do that behavior. They get rewarded, so they go, oh, that's awesome. But more than anything else, your team members will see that, wow, every time somebody in the team does that behavior, for example, selling or recruiting or training or whatever, right? Whatever the behavior you want to be repeated in your team, whenever that somebody does that behavior, they get recognized. They get promoted, they get, recognition, they get praise. So guess what other team members will want? They'll want the same thing. They'll say, wow, I want to do that behavior too then. Because if I do that behavior, I'll get rewarded, I'll get recognized. So whatever you want your team members to do, just start recognizing the crap out of it. Just start going insanely intense with recognition and praise and well done and, attaboy, whenever somebody does that behavior. And quickly, you'll see that your whole team will start doing more and more and more of that behavior because everybody wants to get that recognition. Everybody wants to get that praise. And that's how you get your team to do what you want. So that's it for today, my friends. Have an awesome evening. Love you loads. See you at the top. Bye for now.